am leaving. Oh, my skin is glowing. It was tough, it was hard, but I arrived. And the words cannot express my emotions, and my heart is skipping a bit. But yes, I arrived. I hope the rest of my journey will be with a calm heart, you know, because this, what happened here, is unbelievable, and I don't know how to get this dressed in my words. Like, every time I am here, I mean in Minsk, I'm so exhausted and sick, and maybe this is my affirmation, I don't really know, but I don't like coming back here. I just don't like it. But my mom is living here and I don't have any choice. This town gathers my worst memories and my worst timeline in my life, like ever. I don't like being here, and I don't know what I will do next with this, because I really don't want to come back here. I don't know how to convince my mom to travel somewhere else to meet me. It's very hard, and also with the sleeping here is very tricky situation because my mom doesn't have enough space. That's why I need to rent something every time I am here, and it's very hard to rent something nearby. It doesn't count because money doesn't really count. I mean, with renting, the possibilities are very slim. Well, I'm yapping already almost 3 minutes about nothing here. My hair, not very nice, and I caught the cold, but right now I'm a bit better, so I think I will be better, because yesterday I had a fever. I don't know why I am even here, for like being sick or something, without any sense. So I think I will say goodbye. I can sense the energy, you know. This suitcase slays. Welcome to hell. Okay, never mentioned that I arrived. It's 3 a.m. and I did my night skincare or whatever. What's happening? Exhausted, a bit sick, but well, good night. Bye. So my time of flying is at 7:15, so around 4-ish I need to be at the airport tomorrow, and right now is 3 p.m. maybe around 4. So my plan is very simple. I don't know who interrupted me. I will have my medication again, drink chocolate from Starbucks because I ordered chocolate from Starbucks. I shouldn't expect the better quality. And then I will wash my head and take a shower. And well, I'm already packed. I don't have to pack really anything, but I will just close the suitcase and everything. And yeah, that's it. And then I will take a nap again. That's my plan. Bam, bam, bam. This is how everything looks like. Maybe I will do the eye exercises, but that's a maybe because I'm very exhausted after the illness, you know. All right. Okay, I washed my head and I took a shower. So right now I will just clean my glasses. And yeah, after that I will still have some yogurts to drink, some medications to take, and I will need to go to drink some coffee. Then I will do the last skincare, close my suitcase, and I will still have some time for myself. Then I will go probably 3-4 around like that time a.m. to the airport. So that's my story. Very boring today, very boring. But this is it when you're constantly traveling. I'm waiting for the day when I will just sit on my ass in peace and think of life. What is this? Wait a minute. What's that? Is this brown? That's so weird. What's that? Alright, it's brown. I thought it's gray. Heart attack. Update, it's 9 p.m. I cleaned my glasses and I'm mostly packed. I ordered some sushi and right now I will take a nap, then I will eat. After that I will do my skincare and I will pack myself completely, will chill a bit, drink some coffee, and then, or maybe I will drink coffee before the packing, like completely because I'm packed, but I just need to close the suitcase and stuff, and then I will chill and go. So my plan is napping, sushi time, coffee, skincare, closing the suitcase, chilling, going to the airport. I just want to die today. I'm almost healthy because I caught a cold in this. And listen, with the moment I'm recording this, I'm thinking when I will upload this. If I'm already after the premiere of my song, that's batshit crazy. If before, that's bizarre. Because then it would mean that I edited everything so fast and I doubt that this is uploaded before the premiere. Because I have to upload my surgery, rehabilitation process, well, still like 3 weeks. No, actually 2.5 to the premiere. I don't know. Let's see how it's gonna be. I wanted to say something else, but I don't know if it's correct. Okay. Time is money. I need to go to nap. I'm telling you, like everyone loves the Philadelphia rolls. Meanwhile, I love nigiri. So this I will eat right now, and this I will see. Maybe I will take it to the airplane. But the ginger, that's for sure I will take it. I will eat this because I need this right now. Okay, I love nigiri. Heaven knows. How much I love nigiri. I'm not very big fan of ginger, but right now it hits me. I'm telling you. I need the water. Oh my gosh, I was so thirsty. I think the ginger really helped me in this situation. The worst case scenario is when you have to travel. I'm almost healthy. I can already breathe. And this will be packed for my airplane. This is sushi, like salmon tartare with the sushi roll and the ginger. So I will pack it right now to the small bag instead of buying expensive sandwiches. I will eat this, and I have the chopsticks. So right now I will take a nap because I really need this coffee suitcase or skincare coffee suitcase. I really need a solid nap, so I will be sober, cooperating with my thoughts, you know. See you after a nap. Strawberry Actimel before bed. My nose is in yogurt. I didn't really sleep because of my stupid nose. It was not a sleeping time. Coffee, and after coffee, skincare will be something amazing. I need to hurry up until my nose is empty, you know. Alright, it's time to do the skincare. Oh my gosh. It's before airplane. It's not bad. Before airplane, it's always like this. You have to do your skincare for the night before you go. Because if you don't do it, then you cannot call yourself the it girl. Because you need to be clean on your face and everything. Also, I did today my nails, so I have very clean nails and everything, you know. So basically what I'm gonna do is everything what I need to do for the night, you know. And just like that. Oh, I don't like when someone says just like that, because it's so stupid. Just like that. It is so intense. Intense night. And this is very strange because first, like, I'm bored, I'm not going anywhere, and then I feel like when I sit in one place for like 6 months, I feel like the time that I'm wasting the time, you know. But when I'm constantly traveling, I'm also annoyed by the fact that I'm not even free enough to respond to people. That's my, you know, that's my problem. And yeah, I want to be the it girl. Well, I don't know. Like, I see my personality from Korea changed so much, and I don't know why I always say about that. when I'm going somewhere from Ireland or to Ireland, you know. I actually want to go somewhere else, like, you know, some hot tropical islands. Ireland, Poland, like what the hell is that? You know, it is not that it. So, I actually want to go somewhere else. Oops, did I pack my like cleanser? Because I need my cleanser like ASAP. Oh no, it's here. I thought I packed this, but no. I need to open this bloody. Now I need to close it because it goes to the suitcase, obviously. So. Oh my god. My typical Sunday skincare. Alright, I need to rinse my face. So I need to stop the video first. You know what? I thought like I actually need to do the skincare maybe for the morning. What I'm doing for the night. For the morning, I will do, the later on in Ireland, I think, when I will arrive, you know, that's the thing. Hang on. All right. Why it is like very big drop is also my skincare routine, because if you don't wash your eyes, what are you doing? You know? So, do you also feel a bit strange because of my night skincare routine? Oh well. I think I might maintain this in a bad way, because I genuinely need to, you know, do the skincare for the night, no, for the morning, but I'm doing for the night, and you know. But what can I do? It is like it is. Brush your teeth, girls. Before the flight, brush your teeth. Otherwise, it doesn't matter how much makeup you put on. If your teeth are like very dirty, oh. Just 1 second. I don't like the flying day because I have ADHD. When I have the flying day, then I fly like all the day in my mind, you know, and it doesn't really help me with maintaining all of that things. So, because then I don't do almost anything else, even with eating things. Oh, I fly all the time. In my mind, I'm already in the airplane. And this thing is like, alright, I'm getting healthy right now, but I caught a cold, and that right now my cold is almost finished, but also I'm before my period. So connect the cold with period with flying. Disaster.
the state before the period. I'm PMDD on my PMDD plus the cold and the airplane. Alright, right now I don't have run nose anymore. Oh, that's something else. And I like it. Snail against wrinkles. It's very good for the night, but I don't know if it's gonna work in the airplane. You know, maybe it will not work because it works the best when you're actually sleeping. But let's see what this snail can do for me. You know, you're a Slavic girl when you take care of your skin, you know. Not a Slavic girl. Really, I didn't have any choice. I am Slavic because I was born in freaking Poland. I was born in, not even in Warsaw. Better not to say it out loud because nothing to be proud of. So, oh wait, I love this cooling. I always wear it when I'm sleeping, you know, and the rest on my flower tattoo because where else? Oh my, the blur gives you like all night sleep. Oh Jesus. I have my hand cream, but I rarely use it. I need to start using it. Otherwise, my hands will be very crusty. I think. And it goes to the special bag in my suitcase. I don't know if I'm gonna brush them. Maybe not right now. See you on the airport or the taxi or I don't know.
So where have you come from?
I'm from Poland.
Hold on, but are you at home visiting?
Yes. All I wanted was my ramen eaten in holy peace. So I do it. That's that. Beautiful masterpiece. So I ordered this ramen 3 days ago because I craved it. Bye. Alright, I need to record this because my hair looks so different right now. Look, it's so much better. but I just took it like this because I'm taking them like this because I don't want them to be crunchy, you know. So because if I would like, I wouldn't take them like this, well, they wouldn't be like crunchy. I don't know how to explain that, because you have to protect the ends, you know, just like that.